Hey everyone, it's Amit Kumar Ghosh here, SD mentor and vice president at Scholarhead. Are you an engineering student trying to juggle between exams, projects, and never-ending search for internships? Or maybe you are just starting college and wondering how to make the most out of these crucial years? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to unlock the secrets to not just surviving but thriving during the college years. So what exactly we will cover? From choosing the right course to nailing those internships, from building a powerful network to master those soft skills. We are diving into it all. Plus, I'll be sharing some funny stories and real-world examples that will make this journey a lot more enjoyable. So, alright, let's kick things off with one of the biggest decisions you will make ever, choosing the right college and course. Now I know what you are thinking. How do I even begin to decide? Trust me, I have been there. And it can feel like a monumental task, but don't worry. I got some tips to make this process a lot smoother. First up, let's talk about why this decision is so crucial. The college you choose isn't just about the brand name or the location. It's about finding a place that aligns with your goals and help you to grow both academically and personally. And believe me, it makes a world of difference. So, what should you look for? Here's a handy checklist. First, accreditations. Make sure the college is recognized by the relevant authorities. It's like getting a quality stamp of approval. Second, faculty. Look at the qualifications and experience of the professors. A great teacher can inspire and guide you like no one else. Third, campus facilities. Think libraries, labs, and even sport facilities. You want an environment that's conducive to learn and grow. Fourth, placement records. Check out the college's track record for placements, especially in your field. It gives you a glimpse into your future prospects. Fifth, student reviews. Who better to tell you the truth than the current students and alumni? Their experience can provide invaluable insights. Let me share a quick story. When I was choosing my college, I was torn between two options. One had a shiny reputation, but the other had a smaller, tight-knit community with a strong faculty in the field of interest. I went with the latter, and it turned out to be one of the best decisions ever. Not only did I get personal attention, but I also built lifelong connections. And let's not forget about the course. Picking the right stream or specialization is equally important. Are you passionate about coding, or do you see yourself designing innovative hardwares? Maybe data science gets you excited, or a course you should reflect your interests and career aspirations. Remember, this isn't just about following the crowd or picking what's popular. It's about finding what resonates with you and where you see yourself in the future. So take your time, do your research, and make an informed choice. It's your first step towards an amazing college experience and a successful career. Alright, now you have chosen the right college and course. Let's talk about something that's on every student's mind: academics. It's not secret that academic excellence is crucial, but how do you balance it without losing your sanity? Don't worry, I have you covered with some practical tips and tricks. First thing first, time management. It might sound cliche, but managing your time effectively can make a huge difference. Trust me, I have seen it firsthand. Whether it's balancing multiple subjects or juggling between studies and extracurricular activities, having a plan is a key. Here's a pro tip. Use the Pomodoro technique. It's a simple yet powerful method where you study for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a long break. It keeps you focused and prevents burnout. You will be amazed at how much more productive you can be. Next, let's talk about effective study techniques. Gone are those days cramming the night before an exam. Instead, try active learning methods like summarizing notes, teaching concepts to a friend, or using flashcards. These techniques help reinforce you, understand, and make learning more engaging. Ever heard of a Feynman technique? Named after the brilliant physicist Richard Feynman? It involves explaining a concept in simple terms as if you are teaching it to someone else. If you can't explain it simply, you probably don't understand it well enough. Give it a try. It's a game changer. And let's not forget the importance of resources. Make the most of your college library. Online courses and study groups, platforms like ScholarHat, LeetCode, and even YouTube have tons of free resources that can supplement your learning. Now let's address a common challenge: maintaining consistency. It's easy to start a semester with the high energy, but how to keep the momentum going? Set realistic goals. Reward yourself for small achievements and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Remember, consistency is the secret sauce to academic success. A quick question: how do you stay motivated during tough study sessions? Share your tips in the comment below. Finally, a word on balance. While academics are important, don't forget to take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat well, and make time for relaxation and hobbies. A healthy mind and body are best allies in achieving academic excellence. Alright, let's get into one of the most exciting and crucial part of your college journey: internships and projects. You want to stand out in the competitive job market. Hands-on experience is your golden ticket. But how do you land those coveted internships and make your project truly impactful? Let's dive in. First thing first, why are internships so important? Think of internship as a sneak peek into the professional world. They not only give you a practical experience, but also help you to build a network, understand industry standards, and even discover what you truly enjoy doing. But the biggest question is, how do you find these opportunities? Here are some tried and tested methods. First, college placement cell. Most colleges have dedicated placement cells that collaborate with companies to offer internship opportunities. Make sure to stay updated with their announcement. Second, online platform. Websites like Internshala, LinkedIn, Glassdoor are gold mines for finding internship. Set up your profiles and start applying. Third, networking. Never underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, join tech meetups, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. You never know where your next opportunity might come from. Now let's talk about making an impact with your projects. Whether it's a college project or a personal one, the key is to choose something that excites you and has real-world relevance. Here's a few tips. First is identify a problem. Look around you. What problems need solving? Whether it's a community issue or a tech challenge. Starting with a problem makes your project more meaningful. Second, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your project. Clear objectives keep you focused and motivated. Third, collaborate. Don't do it all alone. Working with your classmates or mentor can bring a new perspective and skill to the project. Fourth, document everything. Keep a record of your process, challenges, and solution. Good documentation not only helps you but also impresses future employers. Let me share a quick story. During my second year, I worked on a project to develop a messaging system in LAN. Basically, messaging within campus with the help of intranet. It started with a small idea, but with the right team and guidance, we turned it into a functional prototype. And let's not forget about internships. My first internship was a small startup where I worked on developing a mobile app. The experience was invaluable. I got to wear multiple hats, learn from experienced professionals, and even contribute ideas that were implemented. It was a game changer for my career. A quick question. Have you done any internships or projects that made a big impact on your learning? Share your experience in the comment below. Remember this, internships and projects are more than just resume fillers. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and make differences. So take them seriously. Give your best, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Alright folks, now we have covered the importance of internships and projects. Let's dive into something that's equally crucial but often overlooked: networking and soft skill. Whether you are aiming for a job in a top tech company or looking to start your own venture, these skills are your secret weapons. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about networking. Picture this, you are in a top tech conference and you bump into something who's working on a project that you're passionate about. You strike up a conversation, exchange ideas, and boom, you are just made a valuable connection. Networking isn't just about connecting business cards. It's about building genuine relationships that can help you to grow professionally. But how do you build a strong network? Here are some tips. First, attend events. Whether it's a tech conference or a workshop or a hackathon, these events are gold mines for meeting like-minded individuals. Second, leverage social media. Platforms like LinkedIn are fantastic for connecting with industry professionals. Make sure your profile is up to date and engage with posts by commenting, sharing insights, and liking. Third, join clubs and organizations. Being a part of tech clubs or professional organization on campus can help you meet people who share your interests. Fourth, follow up. After meeting someone, always follow up with a thank you email or message. It helps keep the connection alive. Now let's switch gears to soft skill. You might be a coding wizard, but if you can't communicate your idea effectively or working well in a team, you might find yourself at a disadvantage. Soft skills are those interpersonal skills that help you interact effectively with others. Here are the big ones to focus on. First is communication. Whether it's writing a clear email or presenting your idea in meeting, good communication is key. Second is teamwork. Most tech projects are collaborative, so being able to work well with others is crucial. Think of it as a team sport. Third is leadership. Even if you are not leadership position, demonstrating leadership qualities can set you apart. This includes taking initiatives and being responsible. Fourth is problem solving. Tech is all about problem solving, developing a methodological approach to problem solving that can make you a valuable asset to any team. Let me share a quick story. During my final year, I joined a tech club on campus. Not only did I learn a ton about new technologies, but I also met some amazing people. One of those connections helped me to land my first job. It's amazing how a simple conversation can open doors you never knew existed. And here's a funny story. I once attended a hackathon where a team project completely failed. But guess what? We won the Best Team Spirit Award because we stayed positive, helped each other out, and made some great friends along the way. It was a perfect example of how soft skill can turn a disaster into a memorable experience. Remember folks, Networking and soft skill aren't just about extroverts. Even if you are a bit shy, you can still build meaningful connections and develop these skills over time. So take it one step at a time and keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Now that we have covered how to make the most out of your college life with networking and soft skill, it's time to focus on something that's probably on every student's mind, that is placement preparation. Landing your dream job right out of college can seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can make it happen. Let's dive in. First thing first, start early. Don't wait until final year to start thinking about placements. Begin preparing from your second or third year. Early preparation gives you ample time to build a strong foundation and polish your skills. So what are the key areas to focus on for placement preparations? Here's a breakdown. First thing, aptitude and reasoning. Most companies have an initial screening test that includes questions on quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability. Practice regularly using resources like RS Agarwal, IndiaBix, or online platforms like ScholarHat. Second, that is technical skill. Depending on your field, ensure you have a strong grasp of core subjects. For computer science students, focus on data structures and algorithm, database, operating system, and coding. Websites like ScholarHat, LeetCode, and HackerRank are your best friend. Third, projects and internships. Having a hands-on experience through project and internship can set you apart. Make sure work on relevant project and do internships that add value to your resume. Fourth is soft skill. Communication, teamwork, leadership are crucial. Participate in group discussion, take part in team projects, and work on your presentation skills. Fifth is resume building. Your resume is your first impression. Keep it concise, highlight your achievements, tailor it to the job you are applying for. Use platforms like Overleaf for professional looking resume. Let's talk about interview preparation. This can be nerve-wracking, but the right approach, you can ace it. Here is how. First up, mock interviews. Practice makes perfect. Participate in mock interviews conducted by your college placement cell or online platforms like Pramp. This helps you get comfortable with the interview format. Second, common questions. Be prepared to answer common HR questions like tell me about yourself, why we should hire you, and where do you see yourself in 5 years. Prepare your answers but keep them genuine. Third, technical interviews. For technical roles, be ready to solve coding problems on the spot. Practice coding under time constraint and explain your thought process clearly. Fourth is behavioral question. Companies want to know how you handle situations. Prepare for questions that assess your problem-solving skills, teamwork, and adaptability. Use the STAR method, that is situation, task, action, and result, to structure your answer. Okay, let me tell you a story. During my final year, I was super nervous about placements, but I started preparing early, did mock interviews and practice coding every day. When the time came, I felt confident and landed my dream job at a top tech company. It's all about consistent effort and staying positive. Remember folks, placement preparation is marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to seek help when needed. You have got this. Wow, we have covered a lot today. From acing your internships and projects, mastering networking and soft skill, to make the most of networking and soft skill and prepare for placements. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident about maximizing your college experience for a successful career path. Remember, college is not just about hitting the books. It's about growing as an individual, building meaningful relationships, and preparing yourself for the future. So get ready out there, try new things, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. You never know what amazing opportunities are waiting for you. Before we wrap up, here are few quick takeaways. First, start early. Begin, prepare your placements and building your resume well before your final year. Second, balance. Find a healthy balance between academics and extracurricular and personal time. Third is network. Build a strong professional network and develop your soft skill. Fourth is stay positive. Keep a positive mindset. Embrace every opportunity to learn and grow. A quick question. What's one tip from today's video that you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Your support helps me create more content to help you on your journey. Finally, remember this, your college experience is what you make of it. So make it count. Take initiatives, seek out opportunities, and always strive to improve yourself. The sky is the limit. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore effective ways to maintain a healthy work-life balance and managing stress. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, take care and keep pushing forward.